What if I told you that a sugar pill with zero active ingredients can reduce chronic pain by up to 30%, shrink tumors, lower blood pressure, and even trigger the release of real endorphins in your brain? This isn't magic. This isn't pseudoscience. This is the placebo effect, and neuroscientists are discovering it is one of the most powerful forces in all of human biology. And here is the part that will absolutely blow your mind: it works even when you know it's fake. Let me explain exactly what is happening inside your skull. In 2010, Harvard researcher Ted Kaptchuk ran a landmark study published in PLOS One. He gave patients with irritable bowel syndrome sugar pills and told them explicitly, quote, "These are placebo pills made of inert substances. No deception. No pretending. Just honest sugar pills." And yet 59% of patients reported significant symptom relief, double the rate of the no treatment control group. The brain, it turns out, doesn't need to be tricked. It just needs a ritual. A pill. A white coat. An authority figure telling it relief is coming. When your brain anticipates healing, it manufactures healing. Here's the neuroscience. Brain imaging studies from the University of Michigan in 2005 showed that placebo pain relief activates the exact same mu-opioid receptors that morphine activates. Your brain literally floods itself with natural opioids just because you believed something would help. And this isn't weak or subtle. Researchers measured endorphin levels in placebo subjects and found concentrations comparable to low to medium doses of actual prescription painkillers. In Parkinson's disease research, placebos have been shown to trigger dopamine release in the striatum, the very neurotransmitter Parkinson's destroys. Patients showed measurable motor improvement from water injections. The nocebo effect is the dark mirror of this phenomenon. If you believe a treatment will harm you, your brain executes that harm on your body. Studies from 2012 showed that patients told a saline injection would cause pain reported significantly higher pain scores than those told it was harmless. Same injection. Completely opposite biological response. This means your expectation is literally manufacturing your biochemistry. The placebo effect scales with theater. Researchers found that blue pills make better sedatives than red pills. Red pills make better stimulants. Bigger capsules outperform small ones. 4 pills per day beat 2. And branded packaging of an identical drug outperforms a generic label by a measurable clinical margin. Your brain is reading social signals and converting them into pharmacological output. In a 2014 study from Stanford, scientists identified specific neural circuits in the prefrontal cortex that gate how strongly placebo works in a given person. Some people are high placebo responders, a trait that appears to be partly genetic. These individuals show greater connectivity between the prefrontal cortex and the limbic system, meaning their rational anticipation more powerfully modulates their emotional and physical experience. The practical implication here is enormous. First, your mindset about any treatment you receive actively changes its effectiveness. Patients who trust their doctor get measurably better outcomes from identical treatments compared to patients who are skeptical. Second, the rituals around health, taking a consistent supplement routine, having a structured sleep schedule, exercising at the same time daily, may be generating real placebo amplification of actual benefits. Third, and most importantly, this research reveals that the boundary between mind and body is not a wall. It is a permeable membrane. Your conscious beliefs and your unconscious expectations have direct chemical access to every organ system in your body. The brain is the most powerful pharmacy on earth. And the prescription is belief.